in a 2016 one owner, fully upgraded S550 Mustang. As you can hear, it sounds a little bit different. That's because, amongst other things, it's got 750 horsepower Whipple. Well, it's got the 750 horsepower and maybe a little bit more Whipple supercharger conversion on it. It's also got lots of upgrades under the bonnet as well, as you've probably noticed in the photographs. It's got a sort of stainless steel tops for the oil, the water, etc. It's also got the red cam covers and Whipple supercharger as well. It looks absolutely glorious under the bonnet. And now we're just driving along, following along in normal day-to-day traffic at 40 miles an hour, and it's a really nice, drivable and very tractable car. So, you know, it's in fourth gear doing 40, 2,000 revs. I could put it into fifth. We're now doing 1,500 revs and it's still pulling and driving absolutely beautifully. They are now in sixth gear, doing well under 2,000 revs at 60 miles an hour. Absolutely lovely. I'm just entering into a 40, so I'll just drop it down a bit and drop it into third and fourth. There we are, so now we're doing 40. So other upgrades on this car, visually, we've got the front splitter, we've got the carbon winglets on the bumper, we've also got the side pods, and these are all Roush extras as well. They're not unknown make, these are proper full Roush extras. We've got the rear spoiler as well, and do make a massive impact on the look of this car. It's a really gorgeous looking standout car that the first owner has invested north of £50,000 on this car, on the extras, not just the car itself. When he was doing the upgrades on this car, he actually did them all in an order. So he started off with the suspension, the bodywork bits, got the car to drive to, you know, really beautifully in terms of, you know, enhanced handling with the wheels and the suspension, and then he put on the Whipple conversion, or rather had the Whipple conversion put on. And throughout the life of the car, it's just got over 12,000 miles on it now. It's been serviced at Hendy Ford, and it's then gone to GT101 for the rest of the servicing. So it's been either with Ford, and Hendy is the Mustang specialist main dealer, and then GT101 is a Mustang specialist as well. So the car has been very well maintained throughout its life. We've got all the documents, all the invoices to show what's been done to the car from new. But boy oh boy, does this drive absolutely beautifully, or what? Really lovely.